The incredible pancreas. The vital organ that often goes unnoticed but plays a crucial role in maintaining our health. The pancreas is a small, leaf-shaped organ located behind the stomach and nestled between the small intestine and spleen. Though it's only about 6 inches long, this unassuming organ has some big responsibilities. First and foremost, the pancreas is a dual-function organ, acting as both an endocrine and exocrine gland. Let's break down its 12 primary roles. The endocrine function involves the secretion of hormones, including insulin and glucagon, which regulate blood sugar levels. Insulin helps lower blood sugar by allowing cells to take in glucose, while glucagon raises blood sugar levels when needed. Without these hormones, our body's blood sugar control would go haywire. On the other hand, the exocrine function involves producing digestive enzymes and releasing them into the small intestine. These enzymes, such as amylase, lipase, and protease, break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins in the food we eat, helping our body absorb essential nutrients. The pancreas releases these enzymes in an inactive form to prevent them from digesting the pancreas itself. The small intestine activates them when food arrives. So, whether it's regulating blood sugar or aiding digestion, the pancreas is a multitasking marvel that keeps our body running smoothly. The pancreas may not always steal the spotlight, but it's an unsung hero that deserves our appreciation. From maintaining blood sugar levels to aiding digestion, this small organ plays a crucial role in our overall health. Next time you enjoy a delicious meal or simply go about your day, remember to give a nod to your hardworking pancreas. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more fascinating insights into the wonders of the human body. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.